Good morning, happy Thursday, and welcome to math. During this week, we've been working on money, counting that moolah, and specifically, we've been focusing on identifying coins. We've gone through a few different coins this week, starting with our penny, which we know has a value of 1 cent. Shout out to that small copper coin. We've also seen another coin, a nickel, that picture of Thomas Jefferson, see the ponytail, which has a value of 5 cents. Our smallest coin, which we talked about yesterday, is our dime. And this one has a value of 10 cents. Today we're going to bring in one more coin. And this coin is going to be the biggest of the four. Take a look at it. You got it. This coin is going to be our quarter. So again, the name of our coin for today is going to be the quarter. Now, when we talk about what it looks like, well, first thing we see it has that silver color still working here for us. If I look, and we've noticed that many of our coins have different famous Americans on them, this one has a picture of our first U.S. president, George Washington. As we said, the size also makes this one stand out. Compared to the other three coins we've seen so far, the size is going to be, we'll call it large. That's a pretty big one. You can kind of see here how it compares in size. Right? Of these four coins, our quarter is going to be the largest. So we'll call it a large coin. And when I describe the value of my quarter, the value of a quarter is going to be 25 cents. That's right. Now, when I'm counting the values of my quarters, I have some very specific skip counting that I can do. I'm going to show you a little bit about what I mean. I'm going to draw some models here for us so we can see. Here's going to be my model of a quarter. I'll label it 25. Okay. So when I'm counting my values, I'd start with 25. Now when I add another quarter, another 25, I would be at 50. Okay? Another quarter, another 25, I would be at 75. And one more quarter, another 25 cents, would take me to 100. When I have 100 cents, that's the same as having one whole dollar. So are we kind of like getting to this number 100 here for us? It's a good number for us. So again, when we think about skip counting our quarters values, 25, 50, 75, 100. Can you guys do that with me? 25, 50, 75, 100. You got it. So today we're going to look at how we can put some of these coins together to find out their values. Okay? So here I have a quarter. And now I'm going to add to it my small coin. Can we remember what this one is going to be? Right, that's going to be our dime. So when I think about the values here, I have a quarter, which has a value of 25 cents, and then a dime, which is going to be giving me 10 more. So let's look at what happens. When I count these values, I'm going to see I have 25, and then I need to do another 10. Well, here's 2 tens, another 10 would be 3 tens. 25 would jump to 35. So these two coins, a quarter and a dime, together would be 35 cents. But what if I wanted to add a little bit more money? What if I decided that I wanted to add one of my medium-sized coins like so? Do we remember this one? You got it. This is one of our nickels. The value of a nickel is 5 cents. You're right. So if I were to add a nickel in here, I would have to add 5 more. What would my new value become? Well, I would add 5 more. Here I have 5. Another 5 and 5 together, that makes another 10. So now I would be at a value of 40. A quarter, a dime, and a nickel together would equal 40 cents. Now this last question I'm going to ask you guys to do on your own. I'm going to give you 1, 2 quarters, 1 dime, and 1 penny. And I want for you guys in a private message on this assignment to tell me the value of these coins together. Remember, we know how to skip count for our quarters, right? So think about having 2 quarters. Then we're going to add the value of a dime and a penny. You guys are going to, again, leave me that private message. Tell me all together what is going to be the value of these 4 coins. If you have any questions about this assignment or about any of our lesson today, feel free to hit me up in Google Classroom. Shoot me a message on Class Dojo. Otherwise, have fun. I will talk to you guys soon, and you know the deal. Peace.